2019 Volkswagen Jetta GLI debuts in Chicago with GTI power. The GLI is not just about looks. A limited slip differential turns the front wheels, while at the back, a completely new multi-link independent suspension replaces the torsion beam arrangement from the standard model. That should certainly help the GLI corner like a sports sedan. But the 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-pot under the hood will likely be the feature drivers notice most. It's the same rig you'll find in the GTI Rabbit Edition, making 228 horsepower and 258 foot-pounds of torque. It will be available with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual.